Today I am reviewing Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Welcome to this in-depth review of the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera 2 Lens Kit. Whether you're stepping up from a smartphone camera or a compact point-and-shoot, this camera promises to transform your photography experience with professional-level quality, versatility, and ease of use. Today, we'll explore its design, features, performance, and why it could be the perfect DSLR for both beginners and enthusiasts. Let's start with design and build. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 has a solid, ergonomic design that feels comfortable in your hands. The black finish gives it a professional, sleek look, while its thoughtfully positioned buttons and dials allow easy access to all important controls. The camera is lightweight for a DSLR, making it convenient for long shoots, travel, or casual outings. At the heart of the T7 is a 24.1 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor. This sensor captures stunning, high-resolution images with vibrant colors and rich detail. From landscapes to portraits, you'll notice the difference in image clarity, especially when compared to smartphone cameras. The Rebel T7 also supports ISO values from 100 to 6400, expandable up to 12800, allowing for great performance even in low-light conditions. This means you can confidently shoot during dusk, indoors, or under artificial lighting without worrying about noisy or blurry images. The camera comes with a two-lens kit, including the EF 18 to 55mm lens and the EF 75 to 300mm lens. The 18 to 55mm lens is perfect for everyday photography, from landscapes to portraits, offering flexibility and sharpness for close-up or mid-range shots. The 75 to 300mm lens gives you the power to capture distant subjects with ease, ideal for wildlife, sports, or travel photography. Combined, these lenses provide incredible versatility for almost any shooting scenario. Autofocus and viewfinder capabilities are another highlight of this DSLR. The Canon T7 features a 9-point autofocus system with AI Servo AF for tracking moving subjects. For portraits and close-up shots, it includes eye detection autofocus, helping you capture sharp, detailed images of people or animals. The optical viewfinder provides approximately 95% coverage, giving you a clear, accurate preview of your composition before pressing the shutter. Video performance is equally impressive. The T7 can record full HD 1080p video, making it suitable for vlogs, family events, or even casual YouTube content creation. Plus, with the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software, you can turn your Canon DSLR into a high-quality webcam for Mac or Windows, ideal for online meetings, streaming, or virtual classes. For connectivity, the T7 includes built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology, which allows you to quickly share your photos and videos to your smartphone, tablet, or social media accounts. Printing directly from the camera is also simple thanks to its wireless capabilities. This feature makes it easy to showcase your work instantly without complicated setups or transfers. Canon has made this DSLR extremely beginner-friendly. Scene Intelligent Auto Mode automatically adjusts the camera's settings based on your subject and lighting conditions, ensuring great results even if you're new to photography. At the same time, advanced users can take full control of exposure, shutter speed, and aperture to create creative shots. This balance of simplicity and flexibility makes the Rebel T7 a camera that grows with your skills. Additional features include image stabilization, multiple metering modes, such as average, center-weighted, spot, and partial, and support for multiple aspect ratios including 16:9, 3:2, 4:3, and 1:1. The working temperature range is 32 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and it operates well in up to 85% humidity, making it versatile for different environments. In conclusion, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR 2-lens kit is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly camera. It's perfect for hobbyists, beginners, or anyone looking to take their photography to the next level. With a high-resolution 24.1 megapixel sensor, versatile lenses, full HD video recording, wireless connectivity, and Canon's trusted build quality, It's a DSLR that delivers professional results in a compact and approachable package. Whether you're capturing family moments, traveling the world, or starting a photography journey, the Canon Rebel T7 is designed to help you create stunning photos and videos that you'll be proud to share.